Hello, everyone. Welcome to Postpartum Perspectives. I'm one of your hosts, Julia Kavanaugh, and I am a birth doula, postpartum doula, and newborn care specialist. And I'm one of your teachers at the Postpartum Doula Academy, and I help teach in person with Gentle Ventures.
And I am Nancy Ham. Excuse me. I am Nancy Ham, and I have Gentle Ventures Training Center. And I have had that now, what is it, 2012,
Yeah, 2012.
13 years? 13 years. 13 years I've had it. Yeah, I was the very first online course available for newborn care specialists. So I love that I was the very first one to do that. But I teach newborn care specialists, and we are going to
Got
look.
great reviews.
Oh, yeah, and I do have really good reviews, by the way.
Yeah, for the course.
You can
Yeah.
check them out. I am going to talk about Gentle Ventures a little bit here. We have made a recording for Postpartum Doula Academy with Julia, and so now we're going to do one for Gentle Ventures, kind of with me. So I'm the main game here today. I like being the main game every once in a while.
You
So
gotta be.
it's my turn. So we are going to share screen, and I'm going to show you Gentle Ventures. We're going to walk through it. We're going to talk about the different courses and get you an idea of what to expect and how to use the site. So let's
Perfect.
go to share a minute and see if I can pull it up. We're going to go first to, this is Postpartum Doula Academy, and I need to go to Gentle Ventures. So here's Gentle Ventures. And we are at home right now at Gentle Ventures. And the first page talks a little bit, has a banner about contracts, because I do contracts. And I've got one of the best contracts in the industry. It's very complete. It's been looked at by so many lawyers. I've got 4 that looked at it for my purposes, but then as the NCSs go out and come into an issue, they bring their contract to a lawyer, and I've gotten such good feedback from lawyers that they actually brought the contract to that said, this is a really complete, good contract. So trust it, it's a good contract. And then we talk a little bit about basic or holistic newborn care, and a lot of people don't understand what the difference is.
Yeah.
So I want to take a few minutes and explain that a little bit. So I have 5 courses. I have the Essential Newborn Care Specialist. That is the edited version of the full course. So it's for people who just don't really care if they get a certificate. They just want to know how to do the basics of newborn care. You cannot use it for certification. The NCSA will not accept it. They asked me to please approve it for that, and I said, no, I don't think it's approvable. If there's not enough information in it, I don't want my name attached to it for a certification. So the Essentials, although it is much less expensive, it also is not certifiable. So let's just talk about the basic a little bit, because it's a course that it covers everything. My courses cover everything. I don't leave anything out. I don't say, and now you've got to pay another $1,000 to learn how to sleep train. No, I tell you in my class how to sleep train. Now, I don't go into depth as much as a 25 or 30 hour sleep training course, but I cover the basics that you need to know in sleep conditioning and sleep training. So we cover that. We cover they're actually, let me get a little bit further. Well, I'll do this first. And then we have the holistic course, which is also a newborn care specialist and also a newborn care specialist, newborn nanny. They both have the nanny classes if you want to take the nanny class also. And the nanny class, newborn care specialist goes from 0 to 12 weeks. The nanny class goes from 0 to 18 months. So you get a little bit more information in the nanny class for the last 4 months to 18 months. We are accredited by the International Maternity and Parenting Institute, and also by the drugless practitioners. And we are approved by the Newborn Care Specialists Association for certification.
Beautiful.
Let me take you to the courses. Now, you don't want to push the course button because that won't take you where you want to go. You want to go down here to the online courses. Now, right under that is the postpartum doula classes, which will take you to the Postpartum Doula Academy with Julia.
Very cool.
But I put that on there because I want people to know that we also, and see at the top, we also have, you're interested in postpartum doula classes, check here to find out more. So we're really promoting the postpartum doula classes because that class is amazing. It is so, Julia did such a good job on going through all the postpartum aspects that a lot of people don't cover.
Yeah, we go really in depth. A lot of holistic modalities for postpartum healing that are mentioned in other classes, but not really gone much depth into.
Yeah.
Gone into much depth. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So we cover all that. There was something else I wanted to say about that. Oh, I'm just going to quickly mention this. If you do take my class, Newborn Care Specialist class, then you can take the postpartum doula class and not take the NCS part of it and pay half price, almost half price. I think you get $300 off. So it's a really good deal. Yeah. Okay, so let's just hit the online courses button and see what we come up with. Okay, so here's the online courses. It gives you a quick overview, and then it gives you these little pictures. Now, all these pictures are a class.
Okay.
Okay, so you have to, remember I was talking about the Essential Newborn Care Specialist. That's the edited or streamlined edition. Then we have the Newborn Care Specialist class. And then we have the newborn, I'm going to move our picture, I don't know if that makes a difference for you, Newborn Care Specialist, Newborn Nanny class. And once again, we'll walk you through, I'll hit a button in a minute, and a picture in a minute and show you how it works. And then we have the hybrid Newborn Care Specialist class. Now the hybrid is a holistic class all the way through, but if you want your hybrid certification completion certificate, you need to take an advanced breastfeeding course, outside course.
Right.
Like from Christy
Jo Hendricks.
Hendricks, I get Hinckley and Hendricks. Yeah, Christy Jo Hendricks. And there's a couple others that we also have that you can take it through, but I totally always tell people to go to her. She's so good. She is. And then you would get the hybrid certification, not just the holistic certification. Now, the last thing we've got is the pay-as-you-go classes. So some people are calling me and it's like, I just can't afford $700 or $600 or whatever it is for the class. Is there any way that we can break it up in payments? And there is no way to break it up in payments. I tried that once and it just didn't work at all. So we have pay-as-you-go classes. So for the first class, you pay $50. When you can afford the second class, you pay $50. And that will get you through the whole course, whatever course you decide, whether it's holistic or whether it's newborn nanny, or if it's a regular class, it'll get you through whatever class you want to do. That's also good if you just want to take a class on reflux. Say you took classes from other people, but you weren't really covered on reflux and you want to go and see what I have to say about it. Well, I don't think it's even $50. I think it's probably $40 or something like that. You could take a reflux class. So you can just use that as a continuing education also. So let's go back here to.
I don't know other schools that offer that as an option. Like you can take a part of the course.
Yeah, just whatever you want to take.
Price. That's
you just won't get a completion certificate for the course. And if you really need a completion certificate for reflux, I'll send you one. If you decide to just take one class, I could send you one. That's not a big deal. Okay, then, so let's pretend we want to take this course, which is the newborn care specialist course, just your basic course. And I say just your basic, but remember, all my courses include everything. So I call it basic because I can't call it holistic, and that's the only reason. There's no holistic information in here. This does not include the holistic stuff. This is just basic care. Okay.
Right. And by holistic, we mean alternative healing modalities, right? Homeopathy, herbs,
Craniosacral, chiropractic, essential oils, acupressure. We cover all that stuff in the holistic class.
Yeah.
And people are becoming very green.
Yeah.
And
True.
the more and more people are taking the holistic classes now. At first it was like, oh, that's really nice, but I don't use it. But now I'm starting to really pick up on the holistic stuff. So I like that. I like that people are becoming more natural. Let's just click on the newborn care specialist class.
Okay.
And I will show you where it takes you. So that will take you to the newborn care specialist class. You have to go down about halfway. There's a little description of what it's about, how many hours it is, how many classes there are. And then if you want to go, let me just see here. I thought it was here. Yeah, come down a little bit further to the curriculum. It'll show what it means to be an NCS, and then that shows you what Class 1 is all about. And see, that's what Class 1 is all about, all this.
Wow.
Yeah. So, like I said, I cover everything. Okay, so if you decide, oh, that's something I would like to do, then you would just click Take This Course.
Yep.
And then that would get you to the PayPal page. Now, I'm going to tell you that if you're watching this podcast and you are interested in the class, if you put the promo code podcast in that little, I don't know if can you see my marker, Julia?
I can. Yep.
You can. I don't know if they will be able to see it on the thing. If you put podcast into here, PODCAST, and then you click this this gray area right here, then it won't come up now because I haven't done it yet. But if you click this thing right here, it will come up as $100 off.
Whoa, that's so generous.
So yeah, that's just for people who are watching this video on this. This is actually a podcast video, but if you're watching this, we'll give you $100 off for staying with us this long and listening to all this. Putting you through this. We're feeling so sorry for you right now. But anyway, yeah, that is the, we also I think I talked about a little bit about contract. Did I talk about contracts in this one, Julia?
Not for this school.
Not for this
the other
one?
school you
Okay.
did. Yeah.
All right, let me just walk you to the contracts quick a minute so you can see. Contracts are so very important. Please do not leave home without your contract.
Yeah.
I get calls at least once a week from somebody who didn't sign a contract and they're being screwed over. Yeah. Don't get yourself into that mess. Here we have all the contracts that we have available. And if you're a student with me, if you take the course and then get a contract, the contract's half price. If you're just coming in and say, oh, I already took the course, but I need a contract, then you would do the Gentle Ventures contract or whatever. And you have to pay more for that. But I was just thinking of something else when I said that, and I don't know what it was right now. But this contract is one of the best in the business. In fact, it probably is the best in the business. It's been reviewed by 4 lawyers that I know of for my purposes. But also, I've had ladies call me and say, oh, I just had to bring your contract to my lawyer because I'm having this issue. And he said, wow, this is a great contract. So I feel like when I say this is a good contract, it is really a good contract. You will not be disappointed.
It's true.
Okay, ladies, I'm going to stop share right now and just say Thank you for joining us, and talk at you later.
Talk to you later. Bye, everybody.